Hello everyone and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're going over Apple stock, Apple, and taking a look at the latest news and chart data. Apple stock has been trading within a consolidation pattern for the past several weeks, struggling to break above its 50-day moving average. This comes after the company's latest earnings report, which exceeded expectations due to strong services and iPad sales, but iPhone 16 sales seem to be lagging, which has caused some concerns for investors. Despite the recent dip in price, Apple's overall performance remains strong. However, the recent reports about iPhone 16 sales being weaker than expected could be causing the stock to struggle to break out. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a clear resistance level at around $237.23, which is also the all-time high for the stock. If the stock can break above this level, it could signal a strong bullish trend. However, if the stock continues to consolidate or falls below its 50-day moving average, it could indicate a bearish sentiment. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can see a more detailed picture of the recent price action. The stock has been trading in a tight range over the past few days, with some volatility. There are some potential support levels around $223.32 and $220.69, and resistance levels around $226.81 and $229.38. It's important to note that these levels are based on recent price action and may not hold for long. We can also see that the stock has been forming a series of higher highs and higher lows, which suggests a bullish trend in the short term. However, the stock is still below its 50-day moving average, which indicates that there's still some bearish sentiment in the market. The 15-minute chart gives us an even closer look at the price action. We can see that the stock has been moving in a choppy pattern, with some sharp swings in both directions. There are some potential support levels around $223.04 and $225.15, and resistance levels around $226.45 and $228.54. However, these levels are very short-term and may not hold for long. It's important to note that the stock is currently trading above its 20-period moving average, which suggests a bullish bias in the very short term. Overall, Apple stock is currently in a state of flux. The news surrounding iPhone 16 sales has created some uncertainty in the market, and the stock is struggling to break out of its consolidation pattern. However, the stock is still showing some bullish signs in the short term, particularly on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts. It will be crucial to watch the stock's price action in the coming days and weeks, particularly around the key resistance level at $237.23. If the stock can break above this level, it could signal a strong bullish trend, and this would be especially true if it occurs with news of positive performance from the iPhone 16, especially in the AI features. However, if the stock continues to consolidate or falls below its 50-day moving average, it could indicate a bearish sentiment and would be reinforced by further negative news about iPhone 16 performance. It will be important to pay close attention to the stock's volume, particularly around these key price levels. A high volume breakout above the resistance level would be a very strong bullish signal. Conversely, a high volume break below the 50-day moving average would be a very bearish signal. To sum it up, Apple is in a period of uncertainty, but the stock is showing signs of bullishness in the short term. Watch the stock's price action around the key resistance level at $237.23 and the 50-day moving average, and be aware of volume trends to make informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth stock analysis.